Hey, what's going on, guys? Rakeem Addison here, and on today's video, I'm going to be talking a little bit about GoDaddy domain forwarding, and I'm going to be showing you step by step how to forward a GoDaddy domain to another website. So with that being said, I don't want to waste too much more of your time. Let's jump right into it. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to do that immediately, right now. Don't waste any more time. All right, let's jump right into the content, guys. All right, so first things first, I said I was going to go step by step with this. So the first thing you're going to do, obviously, is to log in, right? We're going to go up here to sign in, and we're going to hit sign in. It's going to take us to the other page, which is the actual login page. We're going to hit sign in, right? So I'm just assuming, this is your first time doing this, so I want to get everything right for you. All right. So looks like we have an error. I'm just going to hit refresh. Maybe that'll fix the issue. Okay, so this is the screen you would come to. Oh, something went wrong. Let me switch back to my old products, right? So let's see. Okay, so this is the screen you would come to if, when you first log in. It's going to bring you to this screen, right? It's going to show you pretty much all of what you have. Right, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to manage, right there, manage, right? Then it's going to take you over to where it shows you all the domains that you own, right? So these are the domains that I own, right? But the example that I'm going to be using today is the last one that you see here, right? So your dreams are real today. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to the three dots, right? You're going to click the three dots, and then you're going to hit domain settings, right? All right, so now it's going to pull up the domain settings, and basically what you're going to do is you're going to click manage connection right here, manage connection. All right, we're going to wait for this page to load. It's loading up a little bit slower than usual. All right, so now you're about to see something that just pops up, right? And that's going to pretty much lead you to exactly what it is that we're the whole point of this video today. All right, so as you can see, it says forwarding and masking, right? And you see your dreams are real today. That's the domain that I'm using. So that's the one I'm basically going to be able to console in, right? So what we're going to do, you're going to make sure that it says you're on the box that says domain, right? Because this is a subdomain, and I'll get into that a little bit later, right? So domain is where you want to be. Now you want to go right here to where it has a pencil, looks like a pad, like a pencil writing on a pad, right? You're going to click that. When you click that, it's going to populate this screen right here. So basically, right now, let's say you have an affiliate link, or you have some site, let's say you have Blogger or any type of site that you're trying to connect to where it can be, I don't know, whether it's your name. So my name is Rakeem Addison, so I have a domain that's RakeemAddison.com, right? Or RakeemAddison.org, right? So whatever your name is, or your brand, or whatever it is that you're doing, you want to connect whichever link. Right, so I'll give you an example, right? So if I was to use google.com, we're just going to use that for an example, right? And I'm going to just copy it. What you will want to do, let's say you're using Blogger or whatever you're using, you're going to take the link like I'm doing here, and you're going to put that link right here. Right now, I'm not going to do this because right now I have the site that I actually want to be on that domain, so I'm going to leave that right there, but I just want to kind of show you for, instructional purposes, right? So now this next part, redirect type. Now, when I first started doing this, I was using 301 permanent, but sometimes with certain affiliate links, it kind of messes things up, and then your site won't even work, right? So lately, I've just been using 302 temporary, right? Now, the important part is this part right here where it says forward settings, right? So basically, forward only, that means this, right? So I'm going to use one of my websites to show you what that actually means. So look at the settings once again, right? So I have my website in there. I have it for HTTP. I have 302 temporary, and then I have forward only, right? So forward only, because I have it on that, what's going to happen you see right now I have your dreams are real.today. Now what's going to happen once I hit enter, it's going to redirect to the actual site that you see here, right? So pay attention, right? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit enter. All right, so you're about to see it redirect to the actual site. That's what forward only means, right? So that's one of my sites, right? So let's go, if I were to go forward with masking, I'll show you what forward with masking looks like with the same site, but a subdomain. All right, so get discounts. Your dreams are real today. So you notice it's the same website, but I created a subdomain. So now, since I used forward with masking instead of forward only on that, now when I type that in, that's the site that you're actually going to see because I used forward with masking, right? So you notice the site didn't change to what the site actually is. It stayed what it was that I actually typed, right? So that's the difference between those two. But as far as forwarding your domain to another website, that is as simple as it gets, guys. So I really hope that you got value, and I hope that you take this information and you never forget it, because this is always going to be valuable to you long term, especially if you're having, you're running any kind of online businesses or anything like that. This is definitely going to be beneficial. So with that being said, if you got value, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe to my channel, right? Like I provide consistent content, right? I'm always sharing value because that's just what I love to do on this channel. So with that being said, I look forward to seeing you, my friend, in the next video. Peace.